Another extreme pose. There's a lot of cool poses that Sonic does, and this is one of them, all right? Check out the series of these. I'm going to link them at the very end. But otherwise, it's going to be really simple and completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will like this. So let's go all the way to the very end of the video. Stay to the very end, and you're going to remember it much better, okay? Let's get started. Okay, let's go over here how to draw Sonic's extreme pose, all right? Another one. He's got a lot of extreme poses, obviously, right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the hand, because there's things to be coming at us, all right? But let's draw the hand first. So I'm going to curve over here for the finger, down for the back of the hand, curve underneath for the palm, and then curve underneath for the other side of the palm, where the thumb is, out over here, down. Curve, and then going up, down. Down over here, curve. Down over here, curve for the other finger. Down over here for the other finger, and then you got the pointer finger sticking up. Line for the palm. Line over here. Line over here for the bottom of the cuff here, and the rest of the cuff of the glove, okay? So we're gonna put his face on this side, right? It's gonna be a little bit smaller than the hand, so I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve there, curve around here for the top of the mouth, and I'm gonna throw a curve right there on the top, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull back this way, and I'm going to curve around the corner. Okay, gonna go about this area, and I'm going to find a line out, curve down, fill in the nose, line down here. I'm going to throw like an M, kind of like a part of an M shape right there for the eye. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to scoop underneath, and I'm going to do the exact same kind of motion over here, curve up, line down. So it looks like M, right? It looks like glasses, like big glasses. Sonic's eye. Smile right here, and let's go over here and draw the eye. Curve down the inside, circle, dot there, circle, dot there, out over here for the top of the top there, curve. And now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna draw the, big old spike. Out, down, out, down. That's what we're gonna draw so far. We'll keep it going in a second here, but we're gonna kind of keep going through this. So right now we're gonna draw a triangle right above that brow. Just a straight triangle over the top here. Line. And let's go over here to the far end. We're gonna draw a triangle only, without the inner triangle. It's gonna be the far side ear. If I'm going too fast, please let me know in the comments. I don't want to go too quick. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna pull a swooping shape here for his arm right on this side. So right here we're gonna go right there, and I'm gonna pull back out. It's gonna become bigger as it goes out, right? We got the perspective. Okay, gonna go over here, curve for the torso. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a line here for the kind of leg and the knee, down over here. So line over here, back. You have the tail. You have the tail. Line over here for the leg. Now we're going to curve underneath the leg here, and we're going to do the sock area. Curve underneath here, out over here, down over here, line out, in, out, up. It's gonna be his other leg as he's running that way. Okay, curve over here for the stomach area, like so. Curve, curve, curve right here. And I'm gonna put his shoe on this side where I'm gonna find his sock, right? So I'm gonna curve a line here. And it's gonna have like an M shape for the sock. M shape here. You know, that bunching shape, right? Out, down, and then again, his shoes are giant like these triangles, pretty much. Curve, 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 curve. I'm gonna draw his other hand is gonna be in the back there. It's just kind of floating in the back here. So line down here for the wrist. That kind of M shape going on. And then we're gonna have his hand go behind his foot over here. Right? Because of perspective. It's gonna be hidden behind there. And let's find his other spike. Over there. Alright. So let's make sense of this a little bit. We're going to pull a line up here for kind of the anger area. Curve. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thick line around the entire figure. Just a thicker line on the outside to make it look more like a sticker. Okay, line. Just trying to get that because what this does is it gives it a little bit more. It makes the normal stuff look like details because they're thinner lines. I'm not sure how to explain it, but it just makes it look better. And I would honestly try it for a lot of your drawings. Like think of it as a silhouette, right? I guess you can kind of thicken out certain things like the hand over here, but as you, or even this one right here, you can kind of thicken it out because it is closer to us. And even here, you can kind of thicken it out just because it's closer to us. You can kind of do it. And it kind of gives it a different look. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.